So this is cup plant. This is Silphium perfoliatum, a native plant in the United States, mostly the central part of the U.S. It does go to the East Coast. New Jersey's part of it. Not quite down to Florida. Beautiful, large plant. So this guy's about 7.5, 8 feet tall. They tell me it can get to be 10 foot tall. I've never gotten that big with it. Pollinators love it. It's deep rooted. So that's good for the hill that it's planted on. I have 3 of them here. There's another one over there. They get lots of butterflies and bees. This is a great plant. I'm sure you could grow this from seed. You know what? I have this in my yard. I've had it in my yard for more than a decade, and it does reseed. I don't have a lot of problems with it being aggressive, but other people have told me that it's aggressive. You know. But I dig up the seedlings and I plant them in natural areas. The deer do not mess with this. They don't eat it. The rabbits don't eat it. I've never had woodchucks eat it. So it's good for this county park because this park is full of invasive plants and I can stick it around and hopefully get a few native plants growing here and there. They call it cup plant because water congregates in the cup-like leaves. I don't know if I can get close enough for you to see that, but that's why they call it that. Apparently birds and little bees drink that water after a rain. I've never seen it, actually. But the butterflies love this. Tiger swallowtail is having a ball with this thing right now. Monarch butterfly was just here. She left. I don't know where she went. Hummingbird was here just a little while ago, moved over to the Agostachys neptoides are native Agostachys, and one that apparently is on the endangered list in New Jersey. The hummingbirds love that plant. They're always on it. I think I got a little video of him quick before he took off, or she, the female. So this is a great plant if you have the room for it. I understand it normally gets 10 feet tall. Now, this guy has been here at least 5 years in the ground here, and he's never gotten more than 7.5, 8 foot tall. So I guess it depends. Look right here. I don't know if we can see him. Whoop, that was a willow flycatcher, and they like this plant too because they can perch a little high and get a good look at what's going on. You know. So this is a good plant. This is growing here in my hill garden in northeastern New Jersey, in the middle of a very busy county park. And it's, like a little oasis for all these birds and butterflies and bees, because there's not a lot here for them other than a lot of invasive species. So this hill garden is a lifesaver for them. So this is cup plant. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Helps me get these guys out to more people. And if you have any questions or comments, do you grow cup plant? There's a couple other, there's another one called compass plant. It's another Silphium called compass plant. And I don't think it's native to New Jersey. I think it's more of a western and southwestern thing. But that's pretty as well. Let me know what you're doing, and I'll see you on the next one.